If the platforms refuse to budge, then maybe legislation can mitigate.
Definitely. And I think yun yung mga ilang directions na tinitake during the past 19th Congress actually. Nakailang hearings po yan yung on the prevalence of disinformation in social media platforms like Facebook. And ilang beses din pinukpok no, yung Meta like for an explanation or ano bang protocols yung ini-establish nila para mas ma-curb yung disinformation. And at the end of the day, hindi tayo nasasatisfy sa answers nila. And actually, I think in the past year, they even rolled back no, yung kanilang mga essentially terms and conditions and community standards. Mas nagiging loose nga and parang hands-off yung responsibility and more community enforcement yung nangyayari. Which can depend kung gaano ka-effective, at the end of the day. So, right now, ini-explore natin yung all kinds of measures para ma-actionan to. Penalties for Facebook or other platforms that let and allow yung gantong klaseng mga disinformation to continue. Clauses that, make executing self-regulation that should be greater and stricter, and yung mga paano yung minors, children, vulnerable sectors, even marginalized communities, LGBTQ+, paano sila mas maprotektahan dito.